Here is a wonderful 2027 Lincoln Aviator. Presenting a new level of refined capability, the Aviator. This luxury midsize SUV delivers spacious seating for up to 7, a premium entertainment system, lush interior details, and a standard suite of driver assist tech. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, navigation system, keyless entry, heated front seat, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Don't miss the chance to savor all that this stylish, capable Aviator has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.